be careful. Some apologies aren't meant to heal you. They're meant to keep you available. They said sorry, and for a moment, you believed things would be different, but then it happened again. Same pain, same pattern, same excuses. Because an apology without change is just a reset button. It calms you down long enough for the cycle to continue. Real remorse looks different. It sounds different. It moves different. It changes behavior. So stop falling for words that actions keep contradicting, because I'm sorry means nothing. If the damage keeps repeating, if this hit home, follow Heart Talks and send this to someone who keeps mistaking apologies for change.